start the trend. Using Crocs to gym. You see Crocs, so comfortable, bro. It's easy. Slide on, slide off. You know about them ones. So comfortable, but what do you think of Crocs?
I think Crocs are a bit gay at the gym. Even my flipping manager's like...
No, I disagree with them. Respectfully, I disagree with them. It's easy slip on, slip off. I'm not sweating because of the material. Easy squats. Not feeling anything. And it literally slips around my back of my foot. Nice, comfortable.
It slips around the back.
Yeah.
Slips around the back. Slips around the back.
Let's go.